Hi everyone! So for today's video is bumili kami ng pichel. Kasi ngayon is matitimpla kami gamit yung Curtis Mart. This is my third ating birthday. So let's salam pala na. Yan, lalagyan na natin dito. Yan. So, ang next natin is lalagyan natin siya ng mainit. So, kuha tayo. So, ayun guys, lalagyan ko na siya ng mainit na tubig. Ouch! At yung next natin is haluin natin siya. Then later is mag-aantay tayo para sa ice, para maging ice coffee.
UGC content creators. So if the
Ito.
business using, why isn't everyone doing it?
Ayan.
Well, will anyone
Antayin natin yung yellow guys. Matagal. Hey guys, may yellow na tayo. Ayan. Ito yung paggawa namin ng yellow. Finally, ayan. Wala tayong yellow. Lalagay na natin dito. Ang dami pala.
Find the most popular videos in your
Ayan.
niche that are linked to
We have
the channel.
an iced coffee.